How to install adjustable feet. Before you start installing the adjustable feet on your base or tall cabinets, set aside all the parts you're going to need. You will need the bottom panel for your cabinet and your adjustable feet, which is made up of the base plate, adjustable leg and stem. Place your bottom panel with the pre-drilled holes for the adjustable feet facing upwards. These are the 4 holes that are located in the corners of the bottom panel, and depending on your cabinet width, also in the middle. Take one of the base plates of your adjustable feet and place it in the pre-drilled holes. Make special note to place the 45-degree edges facing towards the side of the panel. This helps with support when your side panels run past the edge of your base panel. Using a mallet, hammer in the 4 posts of the adjustable feet into the base. Repeat the process with all remaining adjustable feet. Take the adjustable leg and insert into the stem. Then push down firmly to insert into the base plate. Repeat the process for all remaining adjustable feet. Once all adjustable feet are installed, you can use an adjustable square to set the height of your cabinets to suit your kickboard height. Adjust the foot by turning clockwise to make the leg height decrease and anti-clockwise to make the leg height increase. In the circumstance where your cabinet requires less than 100mm in kickboard height, you can remove your adjustable leg from the stem and then rotate so notches on the adjustable leg match up with the grooves that run all the way through the length of the stem. Insert the leg into the stem to enable you to achieve lower adjustable feet height. Congratulations! Your goFlatpacks adjustable feet are now installed.